will talk about how can you pay on your Kobo Books app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just come to this list here and here choose box you want to pay. I'm going to click here on this book here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video. Then all you have to do now, you just go down when here pay now show for you, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. So then all you have to do, just switch into open video here, choose your country here. So here can you choose your country. So then when you just choose here your country, you click here on save and continue here. Sorry, it's going to show for us this list. You click here on save and continue here. So then here add just click here on continue by to payments, and here it's going to show for you add this list here and add your card information. When it's going to show for you, you just switch into open video here, and here add your debit card here. Then it's going to it's going to pay with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.